Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, my brothers and my sisters, He told us about the three groups of people. Number one, those who engaged in the wrongdoings. Explicitly and openly, they would what? Violate Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's limits. Right? Thinking that they found a loophole that they could deceive Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Isn't that pretty common, my brothers and my sisters? Right? That we at times may think that we can get away from the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, thinking that there might not necessarily be any consequences, any ramifications to our actions. The second group of people, my brothers and my sisters, they are referred to as the quietists, the silent spectators. They saw all of this taking place. Despite, my brothers and my sisters, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala instructing them to enjoin the good and forbid the evil, they kept quiet. To the point even they said to the third group, who were the third group? Those who would enjoin the good. They would condemn the evil. They would try to be muslihun. Those who were rectifying that which was happening around them. Right? They would try to change whatever they could to the best of their ability. The second group, the silent spectators, the quietists, they would say to them, why do you bother? They're about to be destroyed anyway. Let them be. But their response was, those who would enjoin the good and forbid the evil, قَالُوا مَعْذِرَةٌ إِلَىٰ رَبِّكُمْ. So we can exonerate ourselves in front of Allah. Right? They were motivated, my brothers and my sisters, to carry out their duty and fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's punishment. Let us try and guide. Let us try and make clear for the people so that perhaps we are able to save them as well.